Hey, today you're gonna need 2 paper towel rolls and 1 toilet paper roll. I cut one of my paper towel rolls to be medium height compared to the other two. And you're gonna put glue, take your hot glue gun, make lines going down. You can make them go all the way down, halfway, or just a little bit, as if the candle was melting and running down the sides. You can take them and double them so they'll be more 3D. Then you're gonna go out, spray paint them. I did 1 coat all the way around, just because that seemed to be enough for me. All you have to do is get it coated the color you want. I picked black because I wanted my candles to be black, and I got black candles from the Dollar Tree. You're going to take Mod Podge sponge brushes from the Dollar Tree and 3 of the candle holders from Dollar Tree, the mirror candle holders. And you're going to take the Mod Podge, spread it out on the paper towel holder or the toilet paper holder. Well, you're going to do all 3. You're going to spread it out as if you were painting it. And then you're going to pour glitter on to cover it all up. Make sure you get a good coat of glitter on it. You can always go back, add more. And another thing is you can take Dollar Tree hairspray or any kind of hairspray and spray on it, and it stops the glitter from falling off. I didn't record it doing it because I wasn't thinking about it, but it stops the extra glitter from falling all off after you've completed it. You're going to do all 3 the same way. You pour the glitter on, shake off the excess. And sorry it's not on the camera too good. I didn't realize it wasn't in the middle or center of it until it was too late. Then I took a piece of tape and put on as like a shelf in the middle of it to kind of block the candle from falling in. You can do anything like newspaper. You can stuff up in it just to hold it so the candle don't fall down. I just used tape and kind of blocked it off so it wouldn't go nowhere. But you can use what you like. And the candles are from Dollar Tree. And here's our final result. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Come back for more. See you on the next one.